Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can quickly send or receive photos or videos using AirDrop on the iPhone 14 series. Now before you can use AirDrop, make sure it is turned on. So first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on General. Then tap on AirDrop. Now in here, make sure that you select Contacts Only if you want to receive files from Contacts Only or Everyone. Now for ease of demonstration, I'm going to select Everyone for now. And then tap on the back key to send your files to another device. Make sure that other device can also receive files using AirDrop. So here on another iPhone device, I'm going to go into Settings and then tap on General, tap on AirDrop, and make sure that you have the option to receive files from Contacts Only or Everyone. And then to send files on your iPhone 14, you first open up the Photos app, select the photos or videos that you want to share. So for example, I'm going to select 3 photos and then tap on the share button at the bottom. In here, tap on AirDrop and then select the name of the device that you want to share to. So in here, I've got 2 devices available. I'm going to choose, let me find out what is the name of this device. So this is iPhone, so I'm going to select iPhone. And you can hear the sound. Over here, it is incoming. It has some incoming files. So you can see here 3 files has been sent to the other device. Okay, so that is how you can send files to receive files on your iPhone. Again, make sure it is AirDrop is turned on from Everyone or Contacts Only. And over here, I can go into Photos and say I want to send this photo right here. I'm going to select that one and then tap on the share button at the bottom and then tap on AirDrop. So I make sure I select a file and then tap on share and then tap on AirDrop, and then I'll tap on the name of the device, and you can hear it's make that noise that it is now receiving a new file. And that's it. So when you send a file, it will automatically go to the other iPhone and it will receive it automatically. Sometimes it might ask you if you want to accept the incoming files or not. And that's it. So once it is downloaded, you can view the photos or videos in the Photos app. And that's it. That is how you can send or receive files, photos or videos using AirDrop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.